My name is Dave Sado. Today I'm going to do my STEM Expo presentation, and my project is a digital clock watch with resetting humidity and temperature display using an Arduino and RTC DS1307. The general outline: we have the objectives, project components, project description, video of prototype, Arduino codes, conclusion, and project finalization. Objectives: whether it's a schedule wake-up alarm, a stopwatch to track the time one has jog, or a timer and alarm to schedule office tasks. Timekeeping is part and parcel of our day-to-day lives. So this is an Arduino project demonstrating a complete timekeeping application, and so we're going to use display the real-time weather conditions, temperature, calendar, stopwatch, etc. The project components. During the project, we're going to use Arduino Uno. We're going to do a SolidWorks design for the LDC holder. We're going to use the RTC and every other component you can see on your screen. Prototype video. This video shows how the prototype works and how it looks like. We can see we have time display. Actually, at that time it was actually 2:11, and the calendar shows it's wrong, but we have the humidity and temperature display. We can see the buttons. We have 4 buttons: one for to start the stopwatch and the alarm, and then project code. Figure 1 shows the libraries involved. So we have the EEPROM library, the RTC library, the liquid crystal library, and the JST library. And figure 2 shows the code in the setup loop to prepare the LCD and to relate the different pins from the code to the Arduino Uno and the buzzer circuit. Figure 3 shows the code for the LCD display. As you can see, we have the code on our screen, and figure 4 shows the EEPROM related Arduino codes that we need to run our digital clock. Conclusion: the limitation of the prototype is the calendar, which is not up to date yet. The stopwatch button circuit, which doesn't help display the stopwatch menu, and to finalize our project, soldering electronic device on the solderable PCB is the last step to finish our project. Thank you everyone, and have a nice STEM Expo. Thank you.